I'm here with Jonathan Yerasimides, and we're sitting in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, and we're talking today about the upcoming 2024 Anterior Hip Foundation meeting, which is taking place in Nashville. Jonathan, thanks for meeting with me today. Why are we doing this in Nashville?
Well, we're doing it, number one, because Poultrygeist at
Party Fowl
is unbelievable, and it might give you an ulcer, but it's delicious. Number two, it's Music City, and who can't have fun in Music City? It's the best damn city in the country. You can't not have fun in Nashville. This is going to be probably the best meeting we've ever had in the history of AHF. I've been a part of it. It's a short history. It's not like we've been around forever, but this is going to be the best one. Central, localized in the United States, easy to get to, tons of fun. We're going to have tons of speakers that you know. We're going to bring in, obviously, anterior approach guys. We're also going to bring in some posterior approach guys. We're going to bring in everybody to contribute to this meeting because we want to make it fun for everyone. We want to make it educational, and we want everybody just to hang out because this is a community. The AHF has been a tight-knit community. Started off 6-7 years ago with just a group of guys that loved anterior approach hip replacement. And basically we had this meeting so we could hang out with each other. And once a year we'd all get together and hang out. And it slowly grew and slowly grew and slowly grew. And now it's gotten to the point where it's actually an organization. We still have the same enthusiasm and we still have the same friendship and ideas that we just want to have fun.
Tell me about the theme of the meeting. What have you chosen a theme for this year's meeting?
The theme of this meeting it's going to be Ditch the Dogma. There's teaching in hip replacement that's carried on through generations, and I was taught the same concepts that guys now 20 years later are being taught. And the problem is that traditional ways of hip replacement in the 80s and 90s don't apply to today's implants or today's techniques. And so we're going to try to show you and explain to you why old techniques should be forgotten and maybe start thinking about things differently. Start thinking about everything you do, every step of the surgery you do. Start thinking about why you're doing it.
Who do you think is going to benefit the most from a meeting like this? Is this for learners, residents, and fellows? Is this for established surgeons? Or is this for anybody who's just hungry for knowledge about anterior approach?
We try to appeal to everybody. And I don't think that you have to have a certain level of anterior approach education to come to this meeting. This meeting has always been a little bit different than other meetings that talk about joint replacement, in the aspect that we're not just up there, blabbing and showing slides and trying to, fill you full of technique. It's always been a meeting about changing your thought process and changing your mind. And in years past, it's been, introducing technology into hip replacement. And this year, the idea of innovation has been called the AHF Innovation Symposium. But this year, my idea is the innovation is of thought and of your mind. It's not innovation of bringing in some machine to do your surgery. It's innovating your brain and thinking about hip replacement in a little bit different way than maybe you thought about it before. But if you can come hang out for a day and a half, have some fun in Nashville, you're going to learn something that's going to help you.
I don't think I could have said it any better than that. So we'll see you in Nashville at the Anterior Hip Foundation, Ditch the Dogma, May 2024. See you there.
Bingo.
Jonathan?